Well, good morning, everyone. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces. Thanks for visiting us at arklatexhomepage.com for your Wednesday morning forecast update. Yet again today, we expected this, the heat advisory in effect through 7 p.m. this evening. Good news today is the Weather Service at this point has not extended that, as we do have a little bit of relief on the way late this week into the weekend. But today, definitely another hot one. We won't have as many 100-degree highs across the region, but see on the map there, we are looking at most of us into the mid-90s by lunchtime. So it is going to be a very hot and humid morning, and then high temperatures a little bit later today, topping out in the mid to upper 90s across the region. Could see a few scattered 100-degree highs, but not as many as what we've seen in the past few days here. Satellite and radar, you can see a few changes on the map this morning. We're starting out clear, but the cold front that will eventually bring increasing rain chances a little bit later this week across the northern Arklatex, starting to make its way down across the plains. So we'll keep an eye on that. Not going to have much of an effect on us today, and your temperatures this morning continue to run in the mid-70s in most areas. Shreveport in the mid-70s. Texarkana will likely dip into the mid-70s here shortly. We do have some patchy fog north of I-30, maybe dense right around the sunrise hour. I think the rest of us will be in pretty good shape for the morning commute. And winds staying light today, this morning out of the south at about 5 miles per hour, and they should continue to run out of the south and southwest about 5 to 10 miles per hour. So if you're out on the waterways today, not going to have too many impacts as far as any kind of chop out there. There's the afternoon highs, mid to upper 90s. So Shreveport hit 99 yesterday, easily on our way to 100 before the rain hit here. So we do have the forecast high at 99 again today, and Texarkana into the upper 90s as well. Just another very hot day with those heat advisories, meaning we'll have those feels like temperatures over 105. Ridge of high pressure, you can see it's starting to buckle a little bit, and that's what's pushing that rain down and that cold front along the plains. So I'll show you a few different forecast models. This is the HRRR model. That's the one that's run by the Weather Service here, and that is showing pretty good coverage once again on the storms this afternoon. So whether you're north of I-30, south of I-20, or anywhere in between, it does show the potential we could see a few pop-up showers and storms. So that's why I wanted to show you that one. It's actually hinting at maybe a higher rain chance today across the I-30 corridor. And then we'll go ahead and show you our others. Our in-house futurecast, the one you're used to seeing here, does show the clouds kind of building in as we go through the day, and it does show rain chances mainly south of I-20, but notice the coverage not quite as impressive as what we saw yesterday with the rain that was out there. So I'm hoping we'll see pretty decent coverage on the rain again today. It's not looking like we will, but just kind of keeping our fingers crossed. That will help to bring a cool down to a few areas. For Thursday, begin to feel the impacts a little more from that front. We will see some scattered storms out there during the day Thursday, and as we roll into Friday, Saturday, it looks like those may be the 2 days here where we see the highest rain chances across the region. You're seeing that frontal boundary there, and that's why we see some of those organized thunderstorms. So that's what we'll be looking out for Friday, Saturday. Should bring a little bit of a cool down, not a significant one, but it will help take us out of the heat advisory territory. And the rainfall accumulations, not too much here, even though we do have those slight scattered rain chances each day. If you go through the next 7 days, Futurecast here showing, this is the GFS or the American model, showing most locations picking up less than an inch of rain. But again, we'll help out with the temperatures here as we should dip into the low to mid 90s this weekend, and slight rain chances continuing early next week with overnight lows in the mid 70s.